In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Ask AI feature on tasks to solve any problem. So if you want to get AI assistance for your task or the task that you have been assigned to in ClickUp, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to the task that you'll wish to get AI assistant, and then for my case I'll click on this task 3. Now under this you can see we have this feature called Ask AI, and I have here a task to write a summary on the works of Jesus. So if I need to get a response from AI, it is pretty simple. I can just go ahead and click on Ask AI, and this will change this dashboard here to have an AI assistant available for me. And you can see here, tell AI what to do. So I can just ask AI to write a response on the task in the description section. And I'm trying this without even mentioning the task, and this is the task. So let's see if AI will be able to do that and get it right. Now let's wait. And indeed, look at that. It has written a summary and it is on point. So I'm told the task requires writing a summary on works of Jesus. I'm told please provide a concise overview and highlight key action. So you can go ahead and even copy the whole of the question and try asking it and see if this will give you. And indeed, now look, this AI feature has gone ahead and given a summary on the works of Jesus. So if you wish to copy this task, you can now copy it and share it with your friends and colleagues. So that's how you can use Ask AI feature to perform various tasks or to complete your tasks in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.